Sallu ala al-Habib, Sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad. A spiritual cure for sore throat and cough. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha 3 times with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim each time, and Salat ala Nabi 3 times before and after. Perform them upon the patient. Sallu ala al-Habib, Sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.